Did you know that around 30% of PE exam candidates qualify with just a master's degree? Sounds surprising, right? But the big question is, can a master's degree alone get you the license that you need? Let's dive in and find out. This Pass the PE Exam video is brought to you by PPI, a leader in engineering exam prep for the FE and PE exams since 1975. PPI provides expert prep courses and study resources designed to help you pass the PE exam the first time. PPI's live online courses include hours of lectures, problem-solving demonstrations, exam strategy sessions, office hours, and a passing guarantee. When you take a live online course, PPI guarantees you will pass, or you can take the on-demand course for free. With study guides, practice exams, and more, the PPI Learning Hub offers digital practice and review that you can take with you anywhere you have a device so that you can prepare during the times most convenient for you. Check out PPI today at ppi2pass.com to see all the options available for PE exam prep. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is the PE exam? The Principles and Practice of Engineering, or PE exam, is a significant milestone in the engineering world. Earning your PE license can open doors to advanced career opportunities, providing you have the knowledge and skills to handle responsible engineering tasks. Now, if you've got a master's degree, you might feel like you're already ahead of the game, but are you really? There's a common misconception among aspiring engineers. Having a master's degree automatically qualifies you for the PE exam. Spoiler alert, it's not that simple. There are specific eligibility requirements that go beyond just having an advanced degree. Understanding these requirements is crucial because overlooking them could set you back. Let's clear up these misconceptions and make sure that you're on the right path. So, what are the actual requirements for taking the PE exam? While a master's degree can give you an edge, it's not by any means the only factor. You'll also need relevant work experience, usually 4 years of engineering work under the supervision of a licensed professional engineer. However, if you do have your master's degree from an accredited school, some states might allow you to substitute part of that experience, potentially reducing the requirements of work experience to just 2 years. In fact, I was able to do that myself. But be sure to check your state's specific rules, as they can vary widely from state to state. Here's the answer you've been waiting for. Is a master's degree alone enough to take the PE exam? The short answer is it depends. If you meet the work experience requirements and everything else lines up, then yes, you could qualify. But if you're lacking the necessary experience, your master's degree alone will not be enough. It's important to remember that while your degree is very valuable, the hands-on experience that you gain in your career working under a professional engineer is just as crucial. So please keep this in mind as you plan your career path going forward. Here are some steps that you can take to assess your eligibility. First, identify your jurisdiction. Determine the state or county where you plan to practice engineering, as each has its own licensing requirements. Next, contact the licensing board. Reach out to the regulatory agency responsible for PE licensure in your jurisdiction to gather information on eligibility criteria. Gather information on requirements. Obtain details on the specific requirements related to education, experience, and examinations from the licensing board. Review specific requirements. Check for any state or county-specific requirements, such as the amount of supervised engineering experience needed. It may not be 4 years where you live. Seek guidance. Use resources from the licensing board and professional organizations to guide you through the process. Prepare your application. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, prepare and submit your application with all necessary documentation. Stay informed. After submission, follow up with the licensing board and stay updated on any changes or new regulations related to PE licensure. Today, we've covered a lot about the eligibility requirements for the PE exam, especially when you have a master's degree. While having the degree is a great starting point, don't overlook the importance of the required work experience. Take the time to fully understand these requirements to ensure that you're on the right track for your engineering career and your engineering license. I hope you found this week's video helpful. In upcoming videos, I will solve some more PE exam practice problems and answer other questions from our viewers. Pass the PE exam videos will be published weekly, so please be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss something that could make a substantial difference in your exam result. And please, ask questions and leave comments below this video and I will respond to you. Let me know if there's a specific topic you want me to cover or a question you need answered. Pass the PE exam, we'll have you covered. I'll see you next week on Pass the PE exam.